Good day, MMM community. I'm Juby, an ordinary MMM participant from Sorsogon, Philippines. Last November 11, 2015, I request to provide help amounting to 5,000 pesos under MMM Mining Light, 5,000 pesos. And on November 13, 2015, I request to get an assistance amounting to 10,300 pesos from video bonuses, referral bonuses, and mining bonus. And today, November 14, 2015, I received the whole amount. Thank you sa lahat ng participant na nag-provide ng assistance sa akin. At sa ating founder na si Sir Jim Brody, thank you for sharing this unique system in the Philippines. Together we can change the world.